Is what the Osprey Skimmer 30 looks like. I have it packed a little bit with some stuff so you can get a little view of what it looks like. Here are the compression straps on the side. Very useful right here when you have this stuffed with things. The compression straps snaps into place and pull it. And one thing that's really interesting about the bottom compression strap is there is no clip. It actually just loosens up like this. You see that? And you can allow more things in there. Put your things in there and then just pull on this strap like that and it tightens up. So I like the bottom part of the compression straps, and the same thing goes on the other side. Before I go into the pockets, I just want to let you guys see what it looks like on the shoulder straps, as well as you can keep things down here. I keep things down in this pocket quite often on my Osprey packs. It's very handy. This one right here is used for a hydro pack or a water pack that you can pack in there, and it comes with a tube. Took that out because I don't really use it. I just use a water bottle. But here are the shoulder straps right here. Tighten this up to bring it closer, a little bit closer to the body. You can use those. And then there's a chest strap, as you can see right here. And this chest strap, what's unique about it is you can slide it up and down. You can slide it up and down. It's kind of hard to do like without it having it on. And adjust it, you know, depending on where your chest is located. All right, and then at the bottom is the belt strap, and it comes with pockets. These pockets you can actually keep things in, okay? They're pretty handy right down there. All right, so let's go to the pockets. As you can see, they have two water pockets, one on that side and another one on that side. And then there's actually, this isn't really a, well, it is a pocket, but it's on the exterior. I put things like a down jacket in there and then close it up. And then right here is the main outer pocket. You can keep a lot of things down in here. And don't forget this, Osprey does this wonderful thing where you can clip your keys on here, so when you're traveling, come back, you know where your keys are located. It has several individual pockets in there, as well as a smaller pocket for keeping some valuable things. I wouldn't keep too many valuable things in there. I kind of like to keep it in the main compartment. And before we get into the main compartment, we're going to have a top compartment right here. There's a lot of pockets, a lot of places to separate things. You can put some things in there. And then I'm going to open up the main compartment. Main compartment's pretty large. I actually have my hydro pack in there. I just did that for the video. Camel pack, you can keep some things. Not much in here. There's no compression straps with inside the main compartment, which is lacking. I kind of like compression straps within the main compartment. That's just my own personal preference. They have them on the outside, which is probably good enough, but I'm kind of picky when it comes to compression straps, okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching. Yeah, Osprey Skimmer 30.